refugees into the European Union has not been in the spotlight for some time, but it's still busy and getting busier. EU officials recorded more than 100,000 people without documentation entering the bloc from the Western Balkans in the first 9 months.
I decided that I want to rest here because here I'm a little bit peaceful.
Bilal has also settled here. He fled the war in Syria.
In Syria, I was a carpenter, and my father was too. And I learned
like yesterday, so that's still pretty fresh. Loki's alive. Can you believe it? He's up there. Loki, look who it is. Oh, Banner, I never thought.
Oh, Banner, only Hulk.
What are you doing? It's me. We're friends. This is crazy. I don't want to hurt you. There we go. I'm just a huge fan of sport. I know you're in there, Banner. I'll get you out.